Do you want to know if the Valorant server is down? Hi there, this is John and I'll show you how to check the server status of Valorant in this video. So let's get started. First, visit status.riotgames.com from a browser of your choice. Next, select your language and click on Continue. Now scroll down a little bit and click on Valorant. Next, select your region and language from this menu and click on Continue. Now, if there is any issues with the server of your region, it will be listed here. You can also check Down Detector to see if other players are reporting any issues with the game. To do this, open downdetector.com with any browser. Now, in the search bar, type Valorant, then either press Enter or click on the search button. It will show you if any outages happen in last 24 hours or so. You can also visit Valorant support section on Riot's website, where you'll find all the urgent notification at the top. Now don't worry about the link. I've added them in the video description. And guys, this is how you can check the server status of Valorant. If this video helped you, hit the like button. If you still have any question, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. As always, thanks for watching.